Make Assam's popular dish, chicken with koldil, which means chicken. It's a simple recipe with haldi powder, ginger, onion, and garlic as main ingredients. This banana dish is rich in iron, beneficial for those with low blood